hope they see sense. Well done, mate. You're going to get far to the queue, aren't you? Why are you cutting in close on us? I'm going to report that. Alpha Alpha 12 Lima Papa Alpha. What's the bet you don't have business insurance for all those parcels you're delivering? See? You got far, didn't you? Well, why am I taking up the road? It was actually good reason for that, and that's because the road's too narrow to share with you.